In a world where capturing every adventure matters more than ever, having a reliable action camera can make all the difference. Whether you're diving into oceans, shredding mountain trails, or just documenting your daily exploits, the right budget-friendly action camera delivers 4K clarity, rugged durability, and seamless performance, without breaking the bank. To help you pick the perfect one, we've tested and ranked the top 3 best budget action cameras of 2025, along with key features and what to consider before buying. Links to all products are in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates. Let's get started. Presented by the Legit Tech. Number 3, Insta360 Go 3S. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Insta360 Go 3S, the newest update to Insta360's ultra-compact action camera lineup, and it's packed with meaningful upgrades while keeping its signature tiny, go-anywhere design. The biggest headline here is the jump to 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, a much-needed improvement over the previous model's 2.7K. Footage now looks sharper, with more detail and better clarity, making it a solid option for content creators, vloggers, and casual adventurers alike. Insta360's excellent flow state stabilization is back as well, delivering buttery-smooth footage even in fast-paced or shaky conditions. Another welcome enhancement is its improved waterproofing, now rated for up to 10 meters, 33 feet, without a case. This makes it perfect for underwater shots, pool days, or rainy adventures. It also integrates with Apple's Find My network, which is a smart touch for such a small device that's easy to misplace. Control options are versatile, with voice commands and new gesture control giving you hands-free convenience on the go. Paired with the Action Pod's 2.2-inch flip touchscreen, it transforms into a traditional action camera setup when needed, extending battery life and adding framing options. Overall, the Insta360 Go 3S strikes a great balance between portability and performance. While it still lacks external mic support and the Action Pod isn't fully waterproof, its upgraded video quality and smart features make it one of the best mini action cams on the market right now. Number 2, GoPro Hero 13 Black. Today we're taking a close look at the latest flagship from GoPro, the Hero 13 Black. Building on the solid foundation of its predecessors, this camera refines everything action enthusiasts love while adding smart, practical upgrades. The biggest highlight is its ability to shoot 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, delivering sharp, incredibly detailed footage. For those who love slow motion, it also offers 4K at 120 frames per second and 2.7K at 240 frames per second. Video quality is crisp, vibrant, and captures fast-paced action with impressive clarity. And with hyper-smooth 6.0 stabilization, your footage stays steady even on the wildest adventures. GoPro also improved its versatility by introducing new lens mod compatibility. This allows users to swap in ultra-wide, macro, or anamorphic-style lenses, expanding creative possibilities for vloggers and filmmakers alike. The 10% larger battery ensures longer shooting sessions, while Wi-Fi 6 support speeds up media transfers. The Hero 13 Black remains waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, without a case, making it ideal for underwater shots, snowboarding trips, or rainy hikes. GoPro also kept its intuitive touchscreen and voice control features, which make operation seamless on the go. If you're coming from a Hero 12, the upgrades are subtle but meaningful. However, for anyone with an older model or looking to dive into the action cam world, the Hero 13 Black is an excellent, well-rounded choice. Number 1, DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Today, we're diving into the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, a standout in the action camera market that combines performance, durability, and innovative features. At the heart of the Action 5 Pro is a 1/1.3-inch sensor capable of capturing 40MP stills and recording 4K video at 120 frames per second. This larger sensor delivers exceptional image quality, especially in low-light conditions, outperforming many competitors in its class. The camera boasts a 13.5-stop dynamic range, ensuring detailed and vibrant footage across various lighting scenarios. One of the most impressive aspects is its battery life. The Action 5 Pro can record over 2 hours at 4K per 60 frames per second, setting a new benchmark for action cameras. Additionally, it offers 47 gigabytes of built-in storage, providing ample space for your adventures. The camera features dual OLED touch screens, a 2.5-inch rear and a 1.46-inch front display, both bright and responsive, even under direct sunlight. Its 360 degrees horizon steady stabilization ensures smooth footage, regardless of movement. For audio enthusiasts, the Action 5 Pro seamlessly integrates with the DJI Mic 2, delivering high-quality wireless audio. It's also waterproof up to 20 meters without additional housing, making it ideal for underwater exploration. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a top-tier action camera that excels in image quality, battery life, and versatility. Whether you're capturing extreme sports or everyday moments, this camera is a reliable companion for all your adventures. The most recent and biggest tech, please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and advice. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions for products you'd like us to review, please leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to remain updated and see you in the next video. Foreign.